Dear friends, now this is also a kind of field plan or land plan. So we need to complete this figure. So now we need to set the units and we need to set the limits first. Go to the command line, type UN for units and press enter. Set this type to engineering and set high precision value so that the values will be very accurate, and set this insertion scale to inches and click OK. Now after setting units, we need to set the limits. So give the command lim and press enter. The lower left corner would be 0, 0, press enter. And I am giving the upper right corner as 300 feet, 0 inches, 300 feet, 0 inches. Press enter. Type Z enter, A enter, zoom enter, all enter. And now I am selecting a line command. So selecting line and I am drawing a line from here. So the length is 22 feet 5.5 inches. So I need to draw that line, 22 feet 5.5 inches. Press enter. Now I am here. So which is the length of, see I am here. So this is of length 22 feet. Now go to BDP type, press enter, select a point and give the command PO and press enter, set the point over here. Now again selecting line command and I am drawing a line from here. So from here the distance is 13 feet 0 inches. So I need to draw that. So give 13 feet 0 inches and press enter. And now see, so there is a line here with some inclination. See, there is an inclination to horizontal and to this line, and there is inclination here also, but we don't know the angle, how much angle, but we know the diagonal points AC and BD. So these are the diagonal points B and D, and A and C are the diagonals. So we know that by using this diagonal point, so we will draw this. So first select circle command, draw circle with radius 58 feet 5 inches. So from this point I am drawing a circle by taking this as the radius 58 feet 5 inches. Press enter. Now I am taking a diagonal of BD. So BD is of length 69 feet 5.5 inches. Now again I am selecting circle command and from this point I am drawing a circle by taking BD diagonal as the radius of the circle. So I am giving the radius 69 feet 5.5 inches. Press enter. Now I got an intersection point here. So select line command and from this intersection point I need to join these 2 points and remove 2 circles because those are only for reference purpose. Now again I am selecting line command and I am going leftwards. So of length 13 feet 0 inches. Give the value 13 feet 0 inches. Press enter. Now give the value 13 feet 0 inches. Press enter. Now I need to join these 2 points because see there is a way here which is of 1.7%. And again I am selecting line command. And from this point, see I am here and I need to go to left 30 feet 7 inches. So now give the value 30 feet 7 inches. Press enter. Now I am here. So I need to go to the original point. Just join these 2 points. Now see the profile has completed. So there is a way here in the red color region. So it is a way which is of 1.7%, and the remaining area we need to make partition. So the remaining area belongs to these 5 categories 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We need to make 5 partitions the remaining area. So for that I am selecting this point and I am copying this to here also, and now see select this point and give the command CO and press enter. Select this as the base point. Show the direction and give the value. It is of length 17 feet 6 inches. Show the direction and give the value 17 feet 6 inches. Press enter. And now again select this point and again make a copy by selecting this as the base point. Show the direction and give this value 8 feet 10 inches. 8 feet 10 inches and press enter. Now again select this and make a copy. Select this as the base point and show the direction and give the value 8 feet 6 inches. 8 feet 6 inches. Press enter. Now see. Again select this and make a copy and give the value 8 feet 3 inches. I need to reach here. Here we need to just give this value. Show the direction and give the value 8 feet 3 inches. Press enter. Now we got points here. So those are not visible properly. So I am going to DDP type. Press enter and give the high value. I am giving some 5 feet and press enter. See, now the points are visible clearly, and again similarly we need to make a copy of this also. So giving the command copy and selecting this as the base point, and I need to go here. So I need to move 17 feet 3 inches. So I am 3 inches. Press enter. Now see, again this point I need to make a copy to this 8 feet 8 inches. 8 feet 8 inches. Press enter. Now selecting this point and making a copy, and I am selecting 8 feet 8 inches again. So this is also 8 feet 8 inches. 8 feet 8 inches. Press enter. Now select this point and make a copy again, which is of 8 feet 8 inches. Same. Press enter. Now see, these are my points. Now I need to join these points. Select line command and I need to join this and this. Now I need to join this. So join these 2 points. So now see, and remove these points. So now see, the area has divided into 5 parts. Now we need to calculate this area which belongs to 0.99 cent. So for that I am going, which belongs to 0.99 cent. So for that I am going into this utilities panel. I am going to measure the area of this, selecting these points and press enter. So the area is 452.63 square feet it is getting, and now we need to convert this square feet into cents. So the value is 452.63 feet divided by 435.56 is equals to 1.03 cent. So I am getting 1.73 cent, which is approximately equals to 1 cent. So this area I am getting, and I need to calculate this also the way. So we need to, so how much it is getting. Press enter. It is 755.73 square feet. Now again we need to convert this. 755.73 divided by 435.56 is equals to 1.735. So it is approximately equals to 1.74 cent. So it is also getting. So now our task is to put text over here. So for that I am selecting a single line text and I am putting text over here. See, and this is of length 43 feet 7 inches. Now I am putting here to the center and I am making a copy of this text and again I am making copy to here and copy to here also and copy to here. Here wherever you need you can make a copy by holding Ctrl once. I am making copy, copy and copy. To here also I am copying. See, we have made copy and we can make a copy over here also and here. So now we need to edit. So this is a buzzer. Now see, this is 30 feet 7 inches and this is 13 feet 0 inches and this belongs to, and the area is 0.99 cent and put into the center and it looks good I think. And this is, so it belongs to Narasimha Rao. So put it to the center and the area by 2 cents and this belongs to Veeraswamy. I am not typing the whole text because it is very lengthy. So this is also 5.2 cent and this belongs to and see, this is also an area of 5.2 cent and see, it is so this belongs to Venkataswamy and the area is 0.95 cent. So now see, now we need to align this text because it is appearing horizontally, right? So give the command AL and press enter, select this text and press enter, select this point as the first source point and this point as the first destination point and select this point as the second source point and select this point as the second destination point and press enter a couple of times so that the text will be aligned in this direction and you can move this to the required place. So I am moving it to here and I am making copy and I am making copy over here also. And now see, and this is a way here which is of 1.74 cent. Now this is of area 58 feet 5 inches and now we need to align this text also. So give the command AL and press enter, select this text, press enter, select this as the first source point, select this as the first destination point and select this as the second source point and this point as the second destination point and press couple of times enter so that the text will be here. And I am making copy this to the required one. See, I am making copy over here and I am making copy here also. See, I am making copy. Now we need to edit this. How much is this? 17 feet 6 inches and this area is 8 feet 10 inches and this is 8 feet 6 inches, and this is 8 feet 3 inches, and 14 feet 7 inches. And now I am making copy because the text is here also, and I need to edit this, so which is 17 feet 3 inches, and I am editing this also, which is 8 feet 8 inches. Now editing this also, which is 8 feet 8 inches. And editing this also, it is also 8 feet 8 inches. And the remaining is 14 feet 11 inches. Now see, and this is the actual area, and there is a buzzer over here, and we need to make a copy of this. So it is buzzer. See, now we have completed somewhat, and I am making copy to here also, because there is ABCD over here, and I am making copy to here, and I am making copy here, and now type A and move this to the here, and it is point B, and this is point C, and this is point D. Now we have completed somewhat, and we need to represent the direction also. There is a north direction here. For that I am selecting line command, and I am drawing a line, vertical line, and I am drawing a horizontal line with approximate dimensions, and I am drawing a line with inclination, and I am making mirror on this line and present it. Select the mirror line, present it. Now see, we have got this, and if I make a copy of this to here, so just edit this to N. Now the direction is N. So now what should we do? So you can also represent these diagonal points AC, BD, and date of survey, surveyed, plotted and printed by, and your village, your name and your mobile number. So whatever information you need to represent in this report, so you can represent that. So I am making a copy to here, and I am making copy to here also, is equals to 70 feet 10 inches, and this is BD is equals to 69 feet 5.5 inches. You can also represent the date here, date of survey, and here surveyed, plotted and printed by. So you can also represent that, and you can also represent here your name also, your name and here mobile number and your village. So like that information you can represent over here, so that it will be very understandable to the customer. So now see, we have completed the plan over here, and now we will apply some color to this so that it will be looking good. So for that I am going to hatch command, and I am using some bilayer color. So the first one is blue color, so I am selecting this blue, and again go to hatch and give some pink color and select this area. Again I am selecting hatch, so it is of green color, Again select hatch, and it is of yellow color, and again hatch command, and it is of blue color. Again go to hatch command and select this red color. Now see, the area is appearing like this. After selecting a solid color, so everything, the text inside it will, the background will be becoming black color. So like this, so we need to complete this type of field plans or land plans. And once check the distance here, whether we have drawn with exact dimensions or not. I am checking this as correct. Again, now we will check this diagonal point, because we have drawn with radius of circle, right? So this BD diagonal line I am getting 69 feet 5.5 inches. Yes, exactly. So yes, we have drawn with exact dimensions. And again we will calculate this length also. How much is this length? 30 feet 7 inches. Yes. So like that you can measure each and every distance and areas, so whether we have drawn with exact dimensions or not, so you can confirm also. So in the further videos we will be discussing about building plans and electrical plans also. So please follow my channel to get more updates.